Welcome everybody, it is Crypto Moose and it's time to get loose. Mitchell Bouchard, your crypto and NFT investor. What we're going to do on this episode is we are going to give you guys my top 3 Cardano alts for the 2025 crypto bull run. So guys, comment down below, what are your top 3 Cardano alts? So right now we are Monday, March 24th of 2025. And keep in mind, nothing in this video should be taken as financial advice. You're listening to a loose moose. So looking on the month, we're down roughly 5%. On the week, we're up, 1.39%. And on the day, 5%. So things are looking good post-weekend. And, perhaps this is a good entry point. So we don't know 100%. Everything relies on Bitcoin. So it is performing relatively well over the last month or so. But specifically Bitcoin, I think it's primed for success. And once Bitcoin starts to go, the alts will follow. In fact, we're very heavily in Bitcoin territory right now. Altcoin season, alt season, it has not happened yet. So where should you position yourself? Again, nothing in this video should be taken as financial advice. You're listening to a loose moose. But there are 3 tokens, and the first one, this is a meme, but it's still a wonderful opportunity, and I'll explain why. So this is Snek. And the reason I like Snek, if you take a look down here, Snek is available on Gate.io and MEXC, which are centralized exchanges. Okay, so most of these are going to be your DEXs, where people like us, we provide liquidity. You can pair 2 different assets, and then you earn some rewards based on the trading of that pool. Now, unlike yield farming, the main way that people are going to get access to crypto is through a centralized exchange, something like a Binance, Coinbase. Those larger centralized exchanges have not put up any quality Cardano tokens. So Cardano native assets, right? Cardano alts, things like Snek, they have not been listed on a major centralized exchange. So once that happens, and I believe it will, because Snek's a big project, right? It's actually one of the biggest, it may be the biggest alt on Cardano, sitting at $250 million market cap, which is crazy. But if you look at other memes, and by the way, Snek is good. Snek is a great meme. Okay, they've been doing a good job with it. You're looking at other memes, and they get, especially the top 5, top 10, they get into the $1 billion market cap. Snek would be, what, down here still? Snek's still way down here. So Snek is what? Under wood, like cat in a dog's world. These are terrible memes. So I believe Snek, because it is by far the #1 Cardano meme, this one could perform very well. I would keep an eye out on it. Another one that kind of goes with it, it's not going to be included as one of my picks, but I do like Baby Snek. And the reason being is because if there's going to be something a 50, 100x, it's going to be this. This thing, if it got to 100 mil market cap, let's say Snek got listed, this is going to perform extremely well. But keep in mind, this is beyond stupid risky. Okay? So don't be trying to get rich off of Baby Snek. If you guys do want to follow my wallet, it is this one. It is $Ty.Ada or Red Cape or something along the lines of Crypto Moose, Loose Moose. So there you go. If you guys want to follow, here's one of my handles, if you will. Boom. So that's going to be that. The next one we got to talk about. Let's go into Iagon. Iagon, decentralized storage play. Man, I was in early on this. I sold way too early. So you guys look at other projects in the space. A Filecoin, that one's in the billions. It reached around $100. Iagon has a lot of legroom. It's got a 10x in it. A project like this that's been growing steadily. And again, if you look here, no serious online or centralized exchanges. I'm talking about Binance, Coinbase, Kraken, something like that. We haven't seen that with Cardano native projects. Okay, so Iagon, a very, very, very good project. And yeah, just something I wish I would have held longer. I remember I bought some down here, sold up here, and it just kept going. So let me know if you guys ever held any Iagon. It's a massive play. So the next one is going to be, and number 3 is going to be COPI. So cornucopias, and this thing has not been moving that well. And I'll talk about it right now. So cornucopias, and again, I've said this throughout the years. I've been buying at $1. I sold a bunch at 6 cents. So the last peak, perfect. Like the moose got loose. Definitely got some out at a good time. Guys, cornucopias is by far the #1 metaverse game on Cardano, if you will. So it's not chain agnostic. They have contracts for different chains. So which ones we got here? We got Ethereum, Binance, Cardano Base. So this is a game, a metaverse game built using Unreal Engine 5. I think it looks fantastic. Everything's being built. And if you want, guys, go to the link tree. You can obviously check out other links. But if you go here to staking claiming, let's get to the website here. So that's staking claiming. Yeah, right here. So if you guys do want to pick up some assets, you can see what they have. They have their node NFTs and more. But if we go to their website, I should have a quick link for COPI. Here's their staking. So if you guys do want to get into that, you can also stake it. So there's a lot you can do with this token. They have tons of NFTs. So they have bubble jets. Again, you can own a piece of land in the game. And right now, there's just a lot of opportunity. So I believe they have sales going on right now as well. So let's go to the Cornucopia's website. Not sure. I guess I am logged in my player account. So I've covered this a lot. If you guys do go to the channel, type in COPI or cornucopias, you guys will see all the videos. I'm reaching as far as over a year ago. Okay. So 2 years ago, I bought 50,000 COPI. We're basically back to even on the price point. But long term, I'm bullish on metaverse. #1 reason as well, GTA 5. We don't know when it's going to come out, but you're probably going to get to watch the next Superman movie before that. But with the metaverse, if the metaverse picks up at all, you're looking at an incredible game that is launching, developing, doing big things. They have their NFTs out. You can pick up a piece of land and more. Guys, 14.5 mil market cap. This thing could get into the billions. This is a project that could get to $1. This is something that could 50 to 100x again. It's speculative, okay? But assuming the rate of metaverse, crypto gaming projects, once that narrative picks up, once Bitcoin loses some of its dominance, it gets flooded into layer 1s. And Cardano and Ethereum now and Binance, once any of these games start to perform well, you're going to see that. So here you got, actually, COPI has already partnered with Superverse in the likes. You're looking at a 273 million market cap. Star Atlas, is down quite a bit as well. These schemes can get to pretty high numbers. You're talking about billions of dollars of market cap, okay? So I think Cornucopia's COPI is a project that I would be looking at. Guys, comment down below if you agree or not. I do want to invite you all, if you have not picked up any crypto, use my crypto.com link. Use Coinbase. Use Wealthsimple. If you're in Canada, I use this. I like it. It's simple, right? Of course, the best way to store your crypto, use a hardware wallet. Utilize cold storage. Whatever one you pick up, I like the Tangent Ring. You guys can use code MOOSE. Save 10% off. We also have links to Trezors, ledgers, things of that nature as well. So guys, definitely check it out. We also have online courses, including a free Cardano mini course and other links. So with that being said, the moose is loose. Comment down below. What are your top 3 Cardano native assets, alts? Cheers.